Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add or remove page breaks in Google Doc. So what exactly is a page break? A page break is a clean way to start a new page without pressing the enter key multiple times. Instead of adding blank lines, just insert a page break. It's faster and neater. Let's get started. Open up your Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, search for docs.google.com. Now once you're inside here, you want to place your blinking cursor where you want the new page to begin. And then inside here, go ahead and tap on Insert. Now simply tap on Break, then tap on Page Break. Just like that, you are in the new page. Or you can even use the shortcut Ctrl plus Enter and then add a page break. But if you want to remove a page break, you want to go ahead and simply set your cursor at the very beginning of the page and then press backspace. Just like that, you'll then be able to remove a page break. Or you can even just click to right up where the page break occurred and then press backspace and the page break will be removed. Just a reminder, page breaks are much cleaner and more reliable than pressing enter over and over again. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.